Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Blodgett 33294 burner assembly, Blodgett parts. The Burner Assy for Blodgett part #33294 is a replacement part for Blodgett ovens. It is a complete assembly that includes the burner, the pilot assembly, and the air shutter. The burner is made of stainless steel and has a BTU rating of 35,000. The pilot assembly includes an electrode, thermocouple, and pilot tube. The air shutter is adjustable to control the amount of air that enters the oven chamber. This part is designed to provide reliable performance and long-lasting durability in commercial kitchen applications. This part fixes the following symptoms. Burner Assy for Blodgett part #33294 is used to replace a faulty or worn-out burner assembly in a Blodgett oven. It can help to fix issues such as uneven heating, poor flame quality, and inconsistent temperatures. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by disconnecting the power to the oven. 2. Remove the old burner assembly by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Install the new burner assembly by lining up the mounting holes and securing it with screws. 4. Connect the gas line to the new burner assembly and tighten all connections with a wrench. 5. Turn on the gas supply and check for any leaks using a soapy water solution or leak detector spray. 6. Reconnect power to the oven and test for proper operation of the new burner assembly. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.